Thank you so much, Phil, for that. Sounds like Nerd Night was a big success. Thank you for staying up late with Ken's 5 this evening. Good visibility over the downtown area. Rain is now fading away on our local radar. Will we see another shot of it, though, this upcoming work week? Morning cloud cover for tomorrow, but then more sun in the afternoon. A couple of small rain chances the middle part of the work week, both Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday afternoon. No big deal there. And in the extended, can we continue to fend off the triple digits? Well, so far this year, so far this month, we still have yet to receive our first 100-degree day. And there you see the rainfall tallies and the surplus now at 8.5 inches. Now, it's good that we have a surplus, but we have really cut into that. It was 13 inches not that long ago. Meantime, there is a big cold front, and this is your typical summertime pattern where the front digs in and then stalls out between OKC and then Dallas and really doesn't help our area whatsoever. So we're actually going to see temperatures go up over the next couple of days. False radar echoes over here. The only thing lingering on radar that is hitting the ground is what you see here. And the motion, first it looks like everything's going up to the north, then everything starts to drop back down to the south. That's because of a weak upper disturbance, and you see the counterclockwise swirl, very similar to what happened last night. So this will drop back down into the northwestern part of our viewing area. But the good news, it looks like it's weakening. When we take a three-dimensional cross-section of the area, what we can see is that everything is below 20,000 feet on not only the cloud tops, but the storm tops. So we're not seeing any hail here. There's nothing severe. There were a couple of severe storms there, but it looks like everything is now beginning to weaken, that we've lost the daytime heating. Temperatures mainly in the 80s, low 80s, even a couple of upper 70s, and temperatures not only warm in the eastern half of the state, but also very muggy because the dew points are sky high between San Antonio back to the coast. So that tells us we've got the tropical moisture. We just don't have that spark plug in the atmosphere. That's back out to the west by the Big Bend area, and it's not even heading in our direction. So it looks like tomorrow we can actually take out the rain chances altogether. Tomorrow will be a dry day. High pressure is going to bump off this upper low, and that's going to continue to push on out. And then we'll just have very small rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday. But even if we don't get rain in the next week, we're in such good shape right now that nowhere in the entire Lone Star State do we show any of the bad colors on the drought monitor. Of course, you compare and contrast that to California in between San Francisco and LA, and they desperately need some of that rain. So we're okay for now. We'd love to bring more rain back into the area. Let's talk about your forecast for tomorrow. The high temperatures area-wide will be in the low 90s downtown. The farther south you go, better chance of getting those upper 90s, and then later in the 7-day, we're going to continue to tally up those temperatures. If you are heading out to the coast and the beaches for tomorrow, not a bad forecast, mix of sun and clouds. They'll have a couple of isolated thunderstorms, and the water temperature not bad at about 84 degrees, not too shabby for this time of year. Meantime, in San Antonio, mostly cloudy, mild and muggy, 75 degrees on the low. Not expecting any of that rain within the next 24 hours, at least not in the city. The farther west by the border you go, you might get a few of those storms. So for tomorrow, we start off partly sunny, mild and muggy. By noon, we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds, partly cloudy in the afternoon, and our high temperature in the city will be at about 93 degrees. I know it is a little bit early, but after all, we've got a very important day coming up. That would be the 4th of July. It's still about 8 days away, but in the downtown area, it doesn't look like we'll have rain right now, but remember, that's not the big deal. The big deal is, will the low clouds stay away until after 9 p.m.? Right now, I'm saying that they will, but remember, it's still a ways away. In the meantime, in the next 7 days, we do have a couple small rain chances for you, 20% on Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon, and then the temperatures start to skyrocket. At the end of that extended, we get upper 90s, guys, so that looks like it'll be the most oppressive heat that we have seen so far this year, and we're just trying to fend off the triple digits.
Yeah, it could be worse.
Could be.
All right, thanks,
Yeah.
Jared.